creating a comfortable work environment for the techs. That way they can give the homeowners the maximum amount of comfort, and just make sure we're doing high quality installs that the homeowners are going to be overall happy with. Endless solutions, just making sure the technicians are getting overall the knowledge basis they need so they can provide the homeowners with the proper solutions and services. Endless care, I just like to make sure the techs are feel like we care about them, and that usually correlates to their treatment towards the homeowners. If they're set up in a good manner and they are cut and dry, know exactly what's going on, usually the customer's overall experience is a lot better. So care goes both ways. The technicians feel cared for, so they like to care a little bit extra for the homeowners when they feel supported.
For all your heating and cooling needs, you need Endless